Our YouTube, this my sister. What kind of cut?
What's up, y'all? Trying to get the mohawk going, shave down the sides a little bit, trim all
Trim the
around.
back just barely.
Yeah, it grows back. It grows thicker back here.
So YouTube, we're gonna trim it in its natural state. She has like, I say it's 3D hair. It's not 3C, but it's not 4A either. This is like mixed girl Dominican type hair. When you pick it out, it gets frizzy. We're gonna trim it. I think we're gonna do it with scissors or clippers. I'm not too sure yet, but I'm gonna section it off and then see. So let's get to it. All right, YouTube. So we decided to trim it with clippers. So we're basically gonna be doing clipper over comb. So I have it sectioned off right now. We're doing the sides, and the reason I'm trimming her hair, this is my sister, by the way. The reason I'm trimming her hair in its natural state is because this is her preference and this is what works better. I've trimmed her hair with scissors before, wetting it, and it always cuts unevenly because with this type of hair, it's so curly that when it's saturated, even for just a few seconds, it automatically starts shriveling back up, going back to its natural state. So it's best to either scissor trim it dry or clipper cut it like this with a comb. So I have wide tooth comb right now, and I'm just clipper over combing it. So we're gonna do the mohawk section first, and I'm kind of doing overhand and underhand. Overhand's underrated. It's a good technique. So I'm trimming the back right now, and you're gonna see me freehand it a little bit, but you notice I'm combing as I go. So I'm lifting up the hair in its natural state without stretching it too much. When you stretch it too much, you're removing it from its natural state. So trimming curly hair like this is definitely hard. It's not an easy task. But once you get it down, you know what you're doing. And this is pretty much just a maintenance cut. We're not trimming too much. Want a free haircut? Go to this link down below for more info. We're not gonna trim too much. This is just a quick maintenance cut. So now we're gonna move on to the top, the very top. We're just following the shape. So now we're gonna connect everything. And I still wasn't happy with the shape on the sides. So we're still gonna build that or sculpt that shape. So now we're gonna work on her fringe area just a little bit. She wanted it still to hang over, but she just wanted a little bit off her forehead. So we kept that area heavy. Now we're just gonna freehand it just a little bit. Now I got my shears. So now we're gonna blow dry it and sculpt again. So she liked the length it was at. She said it was perfect. So we're gonna go ahead and wash it. Now the reason I'm washing it, we're gonna get all those loose hairs that we just trimmed and get it back to its true natural state. So I'm using Whole Blends Honey shampoo and conditioner. This is a very good conditioner if you have curly hair. I used to use this when I had curly hair. I think it works better for like looser textures, but for hers it also works well. So as you can see, I'm making sure I condition it deep into her scalp because we want to add that moisture back in. And for her particular texture, she needs even more moisture than this. So this is a product that we both like. So she wanted to style her own hair, of course. So as you can see, she's getting it in her roots. This is the before. And this is the after. We were at the gym. Nothing crazy, just a quick maintenance. It's 4. I'm out. Peace.